Today on Future360, we meet the innovator behind a mind-expanding new technology.
I'm Tan Le, co-founder and CEO of Emotive Life Sciences.
Vietnamese-Australian technology entrepreneur Tan Le is a high achiever, earning the title of World Economic Forum's Young Global Leader. Her latest venture, Emotive, is a headset that reads brainwaves.
Emotive is a product that allows you to very easily and efficiently measure, observe and image the brain. But the idea came about because of the interest in being able to transform the way that humans interact with machines. Because up until now, we've had a great relationship with our machines, but we've always had to tell it what we want it to do. So we give it a very specific command. But what we wanted to do is to more closely mirror the way that humans interact with each other. And one way we thought we might be able to do that is by tapping into the Center for Control and Experience, our brain. I watched Star Wars as a little girl and I was just fascinated by the possibility of being able to one day control things with my mind.
Why is Emotive a disruptive technology?
Emotive is a disruptive technology because it transforms the landscape for what is possible with brain research. And also it makes it possible for people who otherwise would not be able to communicate. They can now have the chance to share and do the things that they've long wanted to be able to do, like being able to move a wheelchair just simply with their minds, or type a simple message to their loved ones just by using their thoughts.
Innovators can be too early bringing their product to market. How do you get the timing just right?
Well, I don't know if we've got the timing right. I think it's still, the jury's still out on that, but definitely it's all about anticipating the future. I think that's the challenge of any sort of technology innovation, is to predict what's going on today and where the technology will be in the future, and bearing in mind the fact that technologies accelerate over time. So there is a process of accelerating returns. So you can't just use the idea of linear growth, but it's going to change faster than you think.
How do you market an emerging technology and build a user base?
The way that we did it was to start by isolating the different target audiences. So to begin with, I think the first audience is the scientific community. So being able to message effectively to that community, and then focusing on the developers and researchers and evangelizing to them. Identify who your target audience is and message appropriately to them, because you can't message collectively to everybody and hope that that message will resonate with that audience.
Emotive merges mind and machine. Is this the beginning of the singularity?
I think that we're already moving towards the singularity, whether we realize it or not, because we've always been augmenting our capacity in some way or another. I wear contact lenses, so that augments my natural ability to see. And now we're just using, my phone is another extension of my capacity, so we're already doing that. I think that this is just the next step in that evolutionary path towards the melding of man and machine.